Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Hotswap keyboards versus keyboards that are soldered. And what I mean by that is the PCBs themselves. Now there are pros and cons for both of these, and I'll be going over that in this video. So Hotswap, what does that mean? It basically means when you can take out the switch from the keyboard itself, which is underneath the keycap, and there's a variety of switches. So you can just take it out with a switch puller and replace it with the switch of your choice. So the pros of Hotswap are you can change the switch whenever you feel like it. There's also very little risk of damaging your PCB when building or desoldering, and you can easily maintain them like I mentioned before. Now, they do have cons, and the cons are the sockets can become loose from the PCB if you force a switch into the socket unevenly. Now what that means is if you push too hard and the pins aren't aligned, obviously you're going to run into some problems. Another thing is that switches can become less secure on Hotswap PCBs, and there are fewer possible layouts. Now that we've gone over the pros and cons for Hotswap, let's go over the pros and cons for soldered PCBs. Now the pros for soldering PCBs is obviously that you get to learn how to solder. It's very fun to do, but can become time consuming. So you get more secure switches, of course, and you have a lot more possible layouts. So the cons for soldering are potential damage to your PCB, and it'll be difficult to maintain / change the switches and stabilizers because you will have to desolder everything or just that exact switch if you want to just remove one. And it is very time consuming to put together, as I mentioned before. So overall, both of these PCBs are great. It's up to you to decide whether or not you want the extra challenge to solder it and make them more secure, or if you're a beginner, then I would definitely recommend you start off with a Hotswap PCB for your first mechanical keyboard build. Let me know what you guys think about Hotswap versus soldering PCBs in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.